Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you guys a new artist and then we are going to try to recreate some of his artwork. The artist we're going to be looking at is Ben Heine. He is a multidisciplinary artist, which just means he works with a lot of different materials and mediums. So he does sculpture work, he does drawings, he does paintings, photography, a little bit of everything. A little bit about him. He's a Belgian visual artist, a journalist, and a music composer. He was born in 1983. He has a master's degree in journalism. He is self-taught in drawing, photography, and music, and he's best known for his original series, Pencil vs. Camera. Currently, he travels the world and does workshops with other students on his Pencil vs. Camera series. So that's what we're going to try to recreate and work with today. So what is the Pencil vs. Camera series? It's an original visual concept invented and popularized by Mr. Ben Heine since April 2010. It's a new art form and the artist's special trademark. It is also one of the most creative and powerful art concepts of the 21st century. These images, he likes to tell a story and convey timeless messages using imagination, illusion, poetry, and surrealism. And here are just some more images for you guys to look at. So the pencil versus camera works are drawings made, photographed, and handheld in a specific place. They join photography and drawing and add a new surreal, imaginative, or romantic elements to an ordinary scene. The illusion of handheld sketches on some of the original photos helps to increase reality and open the doors to an imaginary world. All right, so the materials that you guys are going to need to work with this, you need paper, of course, pencil. If you would like to add color to your drawing part, you're more than welcome to. So if you want to paint them or color pencils, whatever interests you guys. And then, of course, your phone or something to take a photo with. Getting started. So step one, find something you would like to add a little imagination to. For example, choosing a mug or something in your house that you could add to, like maybe you could draw something coming out of it. Be really creative with these. You're not just going to be redrawing like half an object, so it can't just be super realistic with nothing else added to the background. So step two, start by drawing the rest of the object. So make sure it lines up with the real object. So in my little photo for you guys, I started drawing, I had a candle, and then I started drawing that candle on the edge of the paper and made sure that my drawing matched up with the candle before getting started and getting really far. A little bit of an advanced tip for you. Before drawing, notice where your light source is, and when you start adding shadows on your drawing, make sure they're on the right side. So I've like kind of shown you guys with the arrows down there, the shadow side of my candlestick, and then there's a highlight side. So I'm going to start drawing darker on the shadow side, of course. Step three, draw the rest of the image and add your own creative twist. You guys can make these as wild, crazy, and imaginative as you want. I kind of kept it a little bit more simple and just made the candle look like it was being blown out, and then I added a little butterfly. And then step four, take a photo with your drawing lined up with your object. You may need help holding the image and taking the photo at the same time. Not the easiest to do. Get a family member or friend there. And then one more example for you guys here. Have fun creating, everyone. I can't wait to see how creative these get. They can get really wild and surreal. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.